Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in to Super Guy KY. So it's really bright and sunny out. We're right in the heat of summer, but guess what? We got something else to do. And today, this is our project. What in the world is it? Well, let's open it and find out. So I just cut all of these pieces of tape here. There's 4 on this side, 2 here, 2 here. Let's take a look at what's inside. Huh? Oh, whoops. Looks like I missed one. All right, now let's find out. Take a look at that. This is an extra centerpiece to the Bridjits I already have at my house. Okay. So this is just held on with staples. Okay, got it out. Now it's just a center extension, okay? So what are Bridjits? Well, they're these big giant pieces of cardboard here. Bridjit.com. I'm not sponsored, I'm not paid, these weren't free. I bought this with my own money. I just like the product, and I'm gonna put an extra one in my driveway before the curb. So I'll show you what it looks like right now. Right now it's just like this, and it's not long enough to go on my whole driveway. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this end piece out, and I'm gonna put an extra extension in here to move it out. Okay, but quick question, Super Guy. Why would you ever want a Bridjit, and how does it help my car? So this is what it's like in my truck when I'm not driving over the Bridjits. And this is how rough it is when you don't have Bridjits. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. And this is what it's like when I am driving over the Bridjits. This is how smooth it is going over the Bridjits, just like this. Huh? Huh. Huh? Huh. Nice and easy. So I just showed you why to get them. Go to Bridjit.com if you really want to know. There's all sorts of benefits. Okay, so what are you gonna need to install these Bridjits? Now you can watch their video right here off the QR code on your phone, but this is what I used. So trust me, you're gonna want some 2x4s, maybe 2 of them. Now a broom to clean out underneath, large flathead screwdriver. The bigger the better, I'm not kidding. I may use this, I may not. I usually just use my finger to screw on those big fat bolts. And you will want a hammer. A smaller hammer will do. How small? Head about the size of your thumb, not much bigger. All right, let's hop to it. All right, so I was gonna put this right in the middle here. Let's go ahead and grab this out. Big fat bolts come in it. In your little baggie. The nuts are in a separate baggie, okay? So let's hop to it. So since mine were sitting for a while, you can see I've got all this crud in here, okay? So I'm gonna have to clean all this off when I get these out. And I'll go ahead and clean out my little divot here before I put everything back. Okay, so what I just did, I got a different angle because I have 2 2x4s under here, 2 of them. Then I pry here, okay? And when I pry, okay, I'm able to take my finger and I can just spin that nut just like that, okay? Okay, like that gets it away from the rubber. Okay, right there. All right, keep going. And when you get to the actual flathead part of the screwdriver right there, then you can just put it to the inside. Put it to the inside. Inside the threads right here. Just keep coming with it. You see, I've almost got it off. see? That's 1 down and 3 to go. And once you have both the nuts off of these, you can go ahead and hammer it out. Okay, right here. And you want to use a small hammer because this channel, that's a really shallow channel, okay? Same for here. Okay, now you can't exactly pry these out. You can pull them. That won't work. So what you're gonna have to do, you have to take your screwdriver, put it at the head of that bolt right there, or the foot, I guess you can call it. And you just hit your screwdriver. You need 2 hands for this, actually. So 1 second. There we go. All right, see, whole thing went down and it's right here. That's how long one of these bolts are, probably about 10 inches. Okay, same with the front. See, that's poking out because I got it. Okay, right here. See, got it. And I get him out the rest of the way. So, got those out. All I do is separate these two, put that right in the middle. Here we go. That's interesting. Take a look at that. I think you can see it. The brand new bolt right here, of the same length. This is the used bolt. Look at the difference. So this has threads up until about 1.5 inches from the head here on that socket. This one only has threads the final 1.5 inches. This is a plain socket head cap screw, and this is almost a completely threaded one. Okay, I'm gonna be reusing the old ones, not the new ones, on that one side. Okay, so I'm gonna have 2 brand new ones and then 2 used ones there. All right, so you put these on the exact opposite way that I took them off, okay? So you have your big nut, okay? That will not go on. See, just won't. Let me try it from this way. It just won't go on, okay? So you have to peel back the rubber. You gotta really shove it in there. Big flathead. You really gotta shove it in there. You gotta peel it away. See that? You peel it away, and then as you're doing that, you get a gap. Now you can take this, you can put it on. See? Get some threads on it. Keep going until you hit the flathead. Keep going until you hit it, just like that, okay? Then you flip to the other edge. See, you flip to the other edge. It's okay, you won't hurt the bolt. Keep going. That's just the rubber that's flexing. It's meant to flex some. Keep going. Keep going until you're all the way at this wall. Then hit that again with your hammer. Small hammer. Whoops. Okay, see? Opened up a little bit of space right there. Same thing. Get your flathead back here. Peel it away. You can get a few more threads on. All right. Now, that's these two done, and now I'll do those two. So you just saw me take the 2x4s out here. Knock the head of the bolt in a little bit more with your hammer. And take a screwdriver. Go ahead and peel it back. Peel it back. You gotta really torque it. See all those extra threads right in here? Just like that. Careful you don't let the screwdriver slip like I just did. Get a few more threads on it. See all that space right there? You don't want that. Get your screwdriver back here in this cavity and peel up. Go ahead and get these threads back on. Okay, just like this. Should be that easy, just with one thumb. Okay, now I'll do the other side. Remember the 2x4s. And here we go. If you look right here, the entire front apron of my driveway is covered by the Bridjits, so I don't have to worry about where I show up into my driveway. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. It was really hot outside, so I came in my house to film the outro. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me do some more automotive, repair, construction, or just do-it-yourself videos, consider subscribing. And as always, be super today.